Tonight on Family Lego Challenge, 2 challengers go head-to-head to win the Space Lego Challenge. Find out tonight on Family Lego Challenge. My model is called Cat in Space. The story is that the first cat in space, they launched into space, and they sent a group of talented musicians with them so they can beam music from space to the whole world, so everyone can see that the first cat ever in space is in space. And also, the cat musician is part cat.
Space Scout is just my attempt to build some wings in a style that I've never made before and try to fuse a Star Wars aesthetic with a traditional space Lego aesthetic, which I kind of failed at, but whatever. At least the engines are cool. They kind of look like speakers.
Dad, I like those engines that you did, but you just made them just sing there. You don't know that there's actually a break attached in there. And I love that satellite disc, but satellite discs don't have the green thing in the middle. Mm-hmm. So, yes. And the hidden door. Why would you have a hidden door? If it was an actual set, and so if it was the 4th set, you wouldn't be able to know that that is a door. You wouldn't be able to know that that's a door. And those computers in there, one high up. What if the highest one up there was a very important thing to Space Dude, but he can't even read the computer? And Simone, I love that idea of the cats being up of them singing and so knowing that it was the first cat in space. I love that. But most of that goodness of it, I had to tell you to do it first. I love the satellite discs and those music notes. You pushed yourself to make more stuff. And those cheese wedges. Those cheese wedges for the ears are good. The gold. I really like the gold. You did the gold. The gold doesn't mix it with the light yellows. Oh, and you didn't say this. The color scheme. It's like light yellows and pinks, and then in the back there's dark reds. And I don't really like that. And I love that cloud. It shows that it's up in space. It shows that that's up in space. Up in space. It's on a cloud. It's up in space. And all the stuff that and this yellow piece, cats don't have weird pieces sticking out their butts. So, okay, the winner of this challenge is... These are some rainbow pants. They are Old Navy brand. Try to check out more pants that you have. These are some good pants. And I wear them, and they are really good pants. These are some really good pants. I wear them sometimes. They are good pants. And they are the Old Navy brand. I like Old Navy too. Yeah, these are some great pants. The winner of this challenge is Simone.
Yay! I won!
See you next time on Family Lego Challenge.